Hey guys, Hawk Trades back again, and I'm back again with the start of a new week, February 1st, start of a new month. And today I have the same, two potential trades, and one trade I'm very confident about. Now, before this, I was confident about a Neo trade, but Neo trade went bad. I didn't even do the trade because it opened up with a huge fallout. Usually Neo has like a huge burst of buy. Didn't happen this time, so luckily I got out without any problems. Neo, you could see a potential. Neo could fall down back to the 52 level, potentially. I mean, really, Neo just got hyped up, and it showed that it couldn't handle the 60s, so it'll be pushed back to 40s. But it'll eventually go to 60, so if it does come down here, it could be like a buy the dip kind of situation. But my first trade that I want to talk to y'all about is CIIC. It's a merger group, and clearly in the beginning this merger group had huge pumps, and it was clearly a pump and dump, because look, it got pumped and just fell, got pumped and it's just fallen. It hasn't got pumped in quite a bit, so you could open up a quick position here, and it showed it can hit 37 before. It can hit 37 before. It can hit it again. I'm not so sure about that. This one I'm not very confident about, but like I said, it's a potential one. If you see a chance to get in, if you see any indicators, then get in. The next one is COCP. COCP has had this, very noticeable boom right here, and it's had to sell off because I feel like it was a pump and dump or some form of pump and dump. So COCP shall be a sort of a, it's not in position yet, but it will be. It's shown a little weakness in sell off right here. It will probably sell off maybe further to 140, I don't know. But what I'm looking out for is these two, RSI and MACD. When MACD crosses positive, the blue line crosses the orange one, I call it crossing positive. When it does that, you should see it as a buy signal. But warning on this one, if you do see a buy signal, sell out quickly. Just sell out. Don't wait more than a few days, because clearly here it showed after the buy signal happened, which is this boom, 45%, and it had a 7% boom at the close, but at the highs it was at 250. So you could close out at 250, opened at 220. Yeah, so that's the plan on COCP. Like I said, I'm not very positive on it because these two trades are my potential trades. I'm not seeing a lot of things. I did not, at that moment in time, I did not profit off this trade. I did not do anything in this trade. But I am sensing a potential cap out in the MACD. The MACD looking like it's finna cap out. It could have a sell-off, as seen here. It could have the sell-off. You could profit off that sell-off. It's shown the sell-off before. It's shown the gain, and then it's shown the sell-off. It's shown the gain, it's shown the sell-off. So, I mean, clearly it's shown the sell-off. Now, this is a very, how do I say, humble take profit. You could take, if you're more greedy, you could take more profit. But this is definitely a great trade because very little loss and so much gain down here. And if it manages to push back up, you'd lose what, 8%? You're out. You could gain 20% on this trade. So you can make some really good money. Now, I know this video is a little shorter, but I just wanted to get the information out. Didn't want to make it too long, because what's the point of wasting time when time matters and all that? So I hope y'all like this video, share it, more people get the idea out, and I hope y'all have a nice trading day and a trading week. And I might make another video later on in the week about other stocks.